Good morning class. I am Premlata, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss 12th class geography chapter 5th, primary activities. So this word you have had in previous classes also, in 9th class, in 10th classes. What do you know about economic activities? Those activities which we are doing for earn something. It can be in form of money, it can be any product, it can be green or elsewhere. So all the economic activities are classified into three categories. We can say three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary. So in today's topic we will be discuss the primary activities. Primary activities, those activities which were start from by the human beings at the early phase due to the variations in the regions. Some people who were living nearby the water bodies, they started fishing. Those who were living in the barren land areas or deserts areas, they starting animal rearing or herding, nomadic herding. Those who were living in fertile regions, they start agriculture works like that. So let me start the topic. Our today's topic is discuss the pastoralism. In this topic, there are two parts: nomadic herding and commercial livestock rearing. So, what do you know about pastoralism? In that situation, the people are wandering with their animals in search of food, in search of fodder and water. So, you all are aware that due to the revolution of the earth, different seasons are formed on the earth. So due to the different types of climatic conditions and seasons, the nomad people have to change their places. So in today's topic we will discuss all these things. So where such kind of pastoralisms are found in the early phases. We will take the help of the world map. The first region is the eastern coastal part, a region of the Atlantic Ocean. Then we move towards east, the peninsula, Arab, then Mongolia and central China. These were the part of the first region of the pastoralism. The second one is Tundra Eurasia. Tundra Eurasia means some part of Europe and some part of Asia near the tundra region. The third one is third part is the southwestern part of Africa and the island part Madagascar. These three parts were on the earth where the pastoralism was found firstly. What were the reason of these we will be discussed now. We have discussed the three areas where the pastoralism was found firstly. So most of the people were starting such kind of work which they can do easily. So for the animal herding, for the fishing and other tasks, primary activities, they don't need to invest lot of money or to different types of tools. That's why they start different economic activities as per their reasons. Those people who were near the water bodies start fishing. Those who were in the desert regions where the soil is infertile or less fertile, they start nomadic herding. Those who are living in the fertile regions, they start subsistence farming activities. So these were the reasons. Now with the passage of time, when settlement started, then what happened with those persons? So with the passage of time, the number of the herders and the quantity of their animals both were decreases because of due to the planning of the settlement. So with the passage of time, changes took place. Sahara Desert is the largest desert of the world. So in this desert, sheep, goat and camels are rearing. So in different parts of the world, different types of animals were reared. And those people were completely depend for their livelihood to sell the food animal product in the market, and some will depend on the to collect the fruits, vegetables, leaves and other products from the plants. So next one is the commercial livestock rearing. This is the another form of animal rearing. In this part, the people are, the nomads are, they are rearing animals for the commercial purposes. Now they have a fixed reason. These are known as ranches. They had their animals, graze their animals in a particular region, and one type of animals can be reared. Such kind of herders are found in Africa continents, we can say Maasai communities. A single farmer, a single herder has more than 2 lakh sheep. So, animals products are the main source of the income for those persons. Now, in the next video, we will discuss the agriculture. Thank you. Have a nice day.